see a new light coming from the distance, and I feel emotion deep inside, and I will get to where I'm going, but I need a little help. I need a little help. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I open up my world to new beginnings, and I reach out my hands to pull you closer, to pull you closer. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road.
weekends to come, if we ever use the bike lane on the Saturdays and Sundays, we have to make sure we're going slow right here, just that part, because they'll stop down there.
Yeah.
And they'll let us go they're going to let us go pretty much all the time. This is the only part where we don't want to make a bad example. But our kind of bikes, everybody's nice with them up here, but it's actually more fun for us to do.
Definitely, it's way better.
Yeah, we got the nice view and everything.
Beautiful view. Nice recording for my new video.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's true. The videos are good, man.
Thank you, man.
I wish we could have done more of that this year, but
it was good.
I was way too busy, man. Way too busy.
It was fun.
I'm just happy to be riding around, get outside.
The other day.
Yeah, fix the problems at home.
So probably looking at it like, what the hell are those guys doing with this bike? What the hell is that?
Down here.
There's so much look with the annex in this one. So much look.
I know. But this was a really good city for this.
Yeah, from you. More time in traffic than driving when you have a car.
You can split this. Just go split it.
Hermano, dígame. Saying what's up to somebody in the car. I was saying. I was saying what's up to somebody in the car.
Oh. You guys go by your bike?
Yeah.
Probably time to sit in traffic.
Probably. Leave the door open, close the door, close the door. he gonna block me in, man. This guy can't drive.